We get a fire going and do some mushroom hunting today. Hey buddy. Easy Up collapsed. Have to gather some wood. We had just our solar lights running, and that wasn't zipped all the way. So just through that little bit, some ants got into here, and we had the bed off the frame laying here, and they built like a palace inside of the bed, and I just killed a bunch of ants. I'll have to clean all that up. That was only the only damage after like 3 months of sitting. This is the ant death sequence, basically, kind of just stomping them out a little bit. That's the bed that got murdered over the 3 months by ants. Good job, buddy. You want to help me get some sticks? There you go. There you go. I gotta gather some sticks, buddy. We'll just burn some of this stuff. It's not really wet out, so this isn't ideal wood, but it'll totally work for today. It will be hot soon, buddy. Eddie, it's gonna be very hot soon, buddy. Remember? Heat. You don't want to put your hands on there. Look, see, that's fire. Exactly, fire. Exactly. We got our little stump. We gotta fix that collapsed Easy Up. Pretty dead. Got these broken pallets to break up some more. So these are basically just a bunch of old pallets, and I decided to cut them up with a saw so that I didn't have to deal with the nails right away. I didn't have a hammer, and I did have a $9 saw, so that's what I'm doing. Burning some old pallets today. Actually burning them a little hot, so we need to close the damper. But yeah, that rust is from one time when the tent collapsed in a heavy, heavy snowstorm. Already almost 70 in there. Get a little fire going. Don't think we can fix the bed. I'm sure he could, but I ended up tying the Easy Up back together with the rope tie downs from the Easy Up and was able to completely put it back. There's no tears in the top, so a $34 Easy Up lasts pretty well, I'd say. We've got our tent humming away, cutting some pallets, fixed the Easy Up. And it's 84 degrees, it says in our little bush up there, with the doors open. Not bad. Just cutting up some more pallets with a little bit of assistance from my 2-year-old. It's pretty good. They burn pretty well, so worked out. That's our hot water heater. 2.5 gallons, goes on the side of the barrel stove. As you can see, 95.2 in here. We're actually going pretty strong right now. Easy up, all fixed. Just surprising. I tied it all together with rope. And it's doing pretty good.